Hello pare, ako si Dan pare at meron akong narinig na kanta ng SB19 habang ini-stream ko yung simula at wakas. Ito yung naging favorite ko eh. The writers are Philip Jan Suson, John Paulo Nase, and the Rat Kids. It has a touch of One Ok Rock. Feeling ko angas talaga ng kanta. Ito yung intro. Yung chord shapes niya, hindi sila yung typical na power chords nga. Parang ganito kasi naririnig ko sa intro, F sharp 9. Tapos meron oh namatay yung camera ko. Bakit? Chords natin is F sharp 9, D sharp minor 7. Tapos A sharp minor 7. And last is we have C sharp.